Hello, in this tutorial we want to simplify 5 to the power of 40 minus 5 raised to the power 36 over 5 raised to the power 20 plus 5 raised to the power 18. And we shall be looking at some important skills required in simplifying this. But first, let us express this as 5 to the power of 36 plus 4 as a way of extracting 36 from 40. Then minus 5 to the power of 36, and in the denominator we write this as 5 raised to the power 18 plus 2, then plus 5 raised to the power 18. So the first skill we shall be using is the addition law of exponents and powers, which goes thus: x to the power of the sum of a and b can be written as the product of x to the power of a times x to the power of b. So applying this to the expression, we have 5 to the power of 36 multiplying 5 to the power of 4, and that minus 5 to the power of 36. And that in the denominator, 5 to the power of 18 multiplying 5 to the power of 2, and that plus 5 to the power of 18. The second skill to use here is the factoring skill, where 5 to the power of 36 is factored out in the numerator to leave us with 5 to the power of 4 minus 1. And in the denominator, 5 to the power of 18 is factored, and we've got 5 to the power of 2 plus 1. The third skill we're going to consider will be for 5 to the power of 4 minus 1, especially 5 to the power of 4, and that is multiplication of exponents. When we have x to the power of the product a, b, it could be expressed as x to the power of a, then to the power of b. Applying this, we have 5 to the power of 36 multiplying 5 to the power of 2, then raised to power 2 minus 1. And the denominator remains 5 to the power of 18 times 5 squared plus 1. Our fourth skill will be factoring difference of two squares. When we have a squared minus b squared, and that gives the product of the difference between a and b and the sum of a and b. Do not forget that 5 square raised to power 2 is a square, while 1 is also a square. That's 1 square. So we apply the factoring of the difference of two squares on that to give us 5 to the power of 36 times 5 squared minus 1, like our a, then 5 squared plus 1, like the b, over 5 to the power of 18 times 5 squared plus 1, where we then apply the skill of division of common factors to cut out 5 squared plus 1, leaving us with 5 to the power of 36 times 5 squared minus 1. That divided by 5 raised to the power 18. This becomes 5 to the power of 36 over 5 to the power of 18 times 25 of 5 raised to the power 2 minus 1. And 25 minus 1 is 24. Let us write that first. Where we have 24 times 5 to the power of 36 divided by 5 to the power of 18, where we then apply the last skill in the set of solution skills to get the final answer, and that is the subtraction law of exponent and power. When we have x to the power of a divided by x to the power of b, it is simply x to the power of a minus b, and this thus gives us 24 times 5 to the power of 36 minus 18, which finally simplifies to the product of 24 and 5 to the power of 18. We believe you've enjoyed this video, especially the 6 skills we used in solving this particular problem. Please do ensure that you share the video, like it, leave your comments in the comment box, and subscribe to this channel. Hit on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any updates from our channel. Thank you.